welcome back to my channel. I am Kashvi Shah. In this video, I am going to tell you some thoughts which you can say in your morning school assembly. So the first one is, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. And the second one is, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. And the third one is, all of us do not have equal talents, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talents. And the fourth one is, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And the last one is, no one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.